I'm using a 15 centimeter square from the pack. This one is coloured on one side and white on the other. It doesn't matter if it's coloured both sides because we only see one side of the paper when we've finished folding. If you are using a piece that's white on one side, start with the white side facing up. The first fold is diagonal. We bring 2 points together. So we fold point to point. Take your time and line up those 2 points. When you've got them just right, put your finger on the points to hold them together. You can then run back with your hand and across, and then across the other way, and that will help us make sure we've got a nice accurate fold. I'm going to use the stick from the pack just to press that crease in and make sure we've got a nice sharp crease. That will help. Turn the paper round. This point at the bottom where we've got 2 loose pieces, we're going to fold these upwards. We're going to fold both of them. So I'm getting hold of both pieces and I'm going to fold them upwards about that much, like this. I'm going to try and keep it nice and straight. Yeah, that looks okay. And I'll just press that down with the stick. So we've got these 2 pieces. We need to open them up and just lift up one layer of paper. The bottom triangle is going to fold inside on the crease that we have just made. This top triangle is also going to fold inside using the crease again that we have just made. So I will fold it in and then close up the paper. So both the triangles are now on the inside. I'll just run the stick over there just to make it nice and flat. So it should be looking like this. Both your flaps on the inside. This long side is what we're going to work on next. We need to find the middle of this long side. We could guess about there. No, that's shorter than that one. So about there. Well, I don't know really. But there is a way to find the perfect middle. This long edge is bent over so that the 2 points will meet. Just place your fingers on the point to hold them, but don't crease it. All we need to do is just press a little mark in here. When I open it up again, I've now got a mark in the paper and I know that mark is the middle. This mark is going to be the middle of the head. So if I place my finger on the middle, on that mark, then when I fold the paper over, I can't go too far. My finger is stopping the paper going too far. This point is going to fold up to this angle here. When we line it up like this, we don't press it down. We need to swing it out a little bit first, just so it creates this angle. Press that one down. We need to do the same to the other side. So I'm going to use the finger on my right hand, again on the mark, so that I cannot go too far with the paper. There's the angle that I need to fold to, so I will bring the paper up, and again, before I press it down, I need to swing it out. Now I have this first one that I can use as a guide, so I think that's about it there. I'll press that in. And that is all the folding done. This side with the ears pointing down, that is the dog, and the other side where the ears are pointing up is the cat. So we just need to do a little bit of drawing and we've finished the cat dog.